Neelam Sethi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here on my channel, it's so great to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to join my family. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my Banjara Market haul and how I transformed it in my way. So people who don't know about Banjara Market, it is like Sarojini Nagar Market but for furniture and home decor. The stuff you will find here are of a very good quality like home center stuffs, and they are very reasonably priced. Actually, this market is organized by few Banjaras of different cities of India, but majority of Banjaras are from Rajasthan. I will recommend you guys to go at least once there, visit that market. I guarantee you will not come without buying anything. And yes, like Sarojini Nagar, you will have to negotiate there to get the best deal. I went to this market last in mid of March, right before the lockdown happened. We just shifted to our home and I wanted to decorate it, so I went there. And most importantly, I went there because I heard a lot about it from other vloggers and YouTubers, so I just wanted to have a look at it. And I truly fell in love with the market. I had a word with few Banjaras over phone. They confirmed that the market is open, but I will not recommend you to go there right now because it is not safe, of course, because of coronavirus. So without further ado, let's get started.
Got these cute little brass baskets only for ₹100 each. They are perfect size to fit my dressing cabinet, and also I could not find any defect in it. They are perfect. This cute bottle opener stole my heart the moment I saw it. I bought it just for these 4-letter words, and of course it will be useful as well. I got this for 50 rupees only. Don't know what it is, but it grabbed my attention right away. I got away few strings from its bottom. You can see the loose ends, right? I'm sure I will use it somewhere. You may find 100 rupees are too much for this abstract piece of art, but I like it, I got it. These are wooden trays. Its original color was light brown like natural wood, but I got these painted in dark brown, which eventually I am going to change again as it is not going with my theme. Each one is for 100 rupees and I got 2. I so wanted to buy wooden shelves and I got these 2 beautiful wall shelves for 750 rupees each. They are quite heavy and made of shisham wood. I love these attractive side detailings. This antique looking lamp is so beautiful and I got it for just ₹100. This one is defected one because it had a bottom lid which was not there, and that's why I got this for cheap. But you cannot find the defect unless I tell you, right? It's a wooden frame. You can put your pictures or mirror, your choice, but I'm going to put a photograph. I don't remember the exact amount, but it was around 700 or 800 rupees. It was available in brown as well. I love the framework of this mirror, but later at home I realized only the embossed detailing is of wood. Rest of the frame is made of cardboard wood. But I feel for the price like 950 rupees, it's totally worth it. And this beautifully carved wooden frame of long mirror is the center of attraction of my room. I simply loved it. The size is 6 by 2.5 feet and I got it for 3500 rupees. If you get the smaller size, you will get it for cheaper. I was in extreme need for this wash basin cabinet in my bathroom. I looked for it in the whole market, couldn't find anywhere except for one place. And of course, I bought it. It is also made of shisham, very heavy in weight, reasonably priced. I got this for 2000 rupees only. The only defect in it was that the handles were missing. But I will fix that, you will see. And yes, I got the steel foot added to it to save it from water and also to raise the height as per my requirements. It is very spacious as well. The one you buy from local market, first they cost approximately 4500 and space available is good for nothing. Believe me, I have both, I can tell. Can you guess what it is? It is a jewelry holder. Isn't it beautiful? You need an eye to find these kind of pieces like in Sarojini Nagar. This one was just for ₹100. Keeping the theme of white and golden, I painted these items in golden and eventually ended up using 3 different golden paints. I will link them all, but the best and reasonably priced was from Asian Paints, only if you have to do it on wood. For metals, spray paints are best. Spray paints are good for pieces like this as well with lots of curves and cuts. I painted all the accessories attached to the wash basin cabinet in golden, like its foot and handles. Instead of painting its body, I covered it with marble printed contact paper. It's a smart choice as you can change it anytime easily. If you want to see how I used contact paper here, you can click on the link above to see the detailed video on it. I painted few wooden pieces in golden and white combination and my long mirror frame in white completely. It is looking very beautiful. It's a show time now. I also bought this tool from the same place for 1500 rupees. It is also made from shisham, heavy and weight. Just covered the top surface with same marble contact paper. This one also slipped my mind. Didn't mention it earlier. This antique tissue holder was for rupees 100 only and in dull black golden color. I painted in golden completely. Instead of full transformation, I have just refreshed them by painting gold color as they were, going with my theme as is.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and once everything will be settled, you will go and visit that market. I guarantee you will love it. So stay connected. Sayonara.